Henry and I wanted to go on a nature walk too. And we're going to go on a listening walk like I hope some of you did the other day. So when Henry and I are walking, we're really going to focus on our sense of hearing, okay?
Okay.
And we're going to listen for as many sounds as we can in nature. Sound good?
Yep.
All right, so what do our voices need to be when we're walking?
Quiet.
Quiet. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Here we go. Did you like our nature walk?
Yeah.
I did too. So one of the things that I listened to when I was walking was the sound that my own feet were making. And I noticed that my feet were making the leaves crunch underneath, and I kept hearing that crunching sound over and over again. What did you listen to?
I kind of focused on the birds chirping, because like they usually, like right now, they usually start coming out in this time of like year.
Yeah, this time of year.
Mm-hmm.
Did you hear different kinds of birds chirping or just one kind?
Different.
Different. Cool. All right, well, we hope that you enjoyed your nature walk. I enjoyed mine. It's nice to be out in the sunshine. Remember to always be safe when you're in nature. We want to focus on using our ears to hear and our eyes to see, but not so much our hands to touch and our mouths to taste. Right, Henry?
Yeah.
Yeah. Make sure you walk with somebody that's a grown-up that can help you stay safe. Bye, guys.